Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on again today with another DIY to share with you guys. It's going to be a wall decor this time, you guys. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright you guys, we have this frame here that I got from Dollarama. But I saw them also at Walmart, but it was a little cheaper at Dollarama. So I went back and picked up mine from Dollarama. And we have the gems here, the small gems you can get at Walmart. And we have the tiles, the glass square tiles I'll be using also. And we have our E6000 glue, our X-Acto knife, and our glue gun. Alright you guys, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have our frame. And we're going to use our mirror pieces. Now we're just going to take our frame apart. And there's two glass within this frame, you guys. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to be following this little piece of paper. I'm not going to take it up. I'm going to follow it to place my design down. So now we're just going to cut out some strips with the X-Acto knife. And now we're just going to lay out our strips into a little design going all the way down. Using the E6000 glue. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give me. And now we're going to take our small gems that you can get from Walmart and we're going to lay them down on our design, you guys. And I am using our glue gun to put the gems down. We're using our bling wrap to go all the way around the frame of our wall decor. Now this step you can spray your frame silver if you like. I'm keeping the frame white because the decor spot that I'm putting it in, the white frame suits me better. But you know, you can always spray paint it white and it will, sorry, you can also spray paint it silver and it will look lovely with a silver background also. Ooh, you know. And here's our finished look, you guys. Doesn't it look lovely? I think they turned out very nice. Tell me where he go. Tell me why you may not hear. I love how the gems look with the illusion of they're floating within the glass, which is very nice. And like, you know, I seen something like this at Zgallerie and I loved how it looked. And you know, I said, I can create that for myself. And this is what I came up with. And I think I did a very good job. I like how they turned out. Wavy, baby. Wavy, baby. You know, wavy. Wavy. You know I, baby. Wavy, baby. I'm wavy. I'm wavy. You know I wavy, baby. Wavy. You know I wavy. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY for you guys to do. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye everyone. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you.